Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace and blessings be to all of you. My name is Munir, and today I would like to read a prayer of faith for peace. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. O God, thank you for bringing us together, and it is together that we turn to you for peace. Peace within ourselves as we strive to serve you. Peace within our country as we face the instabilities of our time. Peace within your world, for heaven and earth belong to you. O God, guide us to find your inner peace and to have the calm of your peace as we face the hustle and bustle of this world. Let us feel your comfort as we find discordant attitudes within our family and friends, and help us to spread your peace across all our relationships. O God, we need you in every aspect of our lives. Help us to turn to you with all our troubles so that we might face them with calming peace. Help us to bring kindness and understanding to our small world so that it might become more peaceful. Please, God, give peace to all of your world. Help all people to feel and recognize your presence and to bring peace to each other until it spreads to all of humanity. God, help all those bringing discordant, bigoted views to see beyond their fear and to extend to all humanity kindness and care. Please, God, it is to you that we turn in our search for peace. Forgive us when we fail or fail to try. Bless this small group and surround us with your peace. Ameen.